Hey everyone, today we're working on the Lewis dot structure for COCl2. In order to figure that out, we have to figure out the valence electrons for each. So there's going to be 4 valence electrons for carbon, 6 for oxygen, and 7 for chlorine. But there's 2 of them total. There's 2 chlorines total, so it gives us a total of 24 valence electrons. So now that we have the valence electrons, we can figure out the structure. So I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to figure this out. We're going to start with oxygen, carbon, chlorine, and chlorine. Now it doesn't matter where you put them because they're constantly bouncing around, but we need a total of 24. So generally I like to start with the outside ones and move my way onto the inside. So I know chlorine needs 7 valence electrons, so we're going to do 7 total. So chlorine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's chlorine as well. It's going to have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our oxygen has a total of 6, so generally we're going to start with just our 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we can figure out our carbon. So our carbon has a total of 4. So we're going to do 1 here, and bond that with the chlorine so the chlorine can have its 8. 1 here, bond that with the chlorine so the chlorine can have its 8. 1 here, and 1 here. The only thing wrong with this so far now is that we need to figure out oxygen needs 8, and our carbon needs 8 again. So what we're going to have to do is called a double bond. So we're going to have to put another one here. So oxygen can have 6 total. And we're going to double bond them. So bond here, bond here. Now following the octet rule, everything else should just match up and we should have 8 for each. So start with our oxygen. There's 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Following our carbon, there should be 8 there as well. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Following our chlorine, there should be 8 there. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our last chlorine should be the exact same. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So adding that up, that gives us 24 valence electrons, and this is what our Lewis dot structure should look like. So finalizing it without the octets in the way, the finished product should look something like this. Oxygen, carbon, chlorine, chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your bonds are here, here, double bond here. Final product.